Kenzie from Kimberbell, and I'm gonna show you guys how to assemble your tier tray that comes in Easter tier tray kits. When you open up your event kits, you'll find the tier tray unassembled. It has the 3 different tiers and 3 dowels. It also has 1 screw and 1 Allen wrench. You'll notice when looking at the dowels that these 2 look identical from the front, but if you look at the top of them, you can see that one of them has hardware and one of them does not. So you'll want to grab the one that does have hardware first, as well as the one with the knob on top, and take your first tray and you're gonna put the knob on top and then the dowel below it. You can kind of poke it up from the top and then just screw in the dowel until it feels tight. And then we're gonna take this second tray and our next dowel and just repeat the same steps. We're gonna screw this dowel into it just until finger tight. And then we're gonna take the bottom tray and our screw and start to kind of screw it in with the Allen wrench. Goes in, and then I'm gonna hold it in place while I stick the dowel on top of it. And then you kind of have to hold it steady while you use this Allen wrench to just tighten it up. And the screw will have some resistance at first because it hasn't been used just yet, but that'll help it stay sturdy when the tray's all assembled. So you'll notice you want the screw to lay flush with the bottom of the tray. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy hosting Easter tier tray.